Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. The 2025 Volkswagen Polo is here, and it's better than ever. Renowned for its practicality, premium features, and excellent build quality, the Polo continues to dominate the compact car segment. In this video, we'll dive into the design, performance, features, and everything else that makes the 2025 Polo a standout in its class. Design and exterior. The new Polo boasts a sleek and modern design. With sharper lines, LED matrix headlights, and a redesigned front grille, it exudes a premium feel. The bold 16-inch alloy wheels and sportier stance give it a dynamic edge. Volkswagen has also introduced a range of fresh color options, including the eye-catching, ice blue metallic. Interior and features. Step inside, and the Polo greets you with a high-quality cabin. The digital cockpit is now standard, featuring a 10-inch customizable display alongside an updated infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and a new ergonomic steering wheel elevate the driving experience. Volkswagen has also added more practicality with increased rear legroom and a larger 350-liter boot, making the Polo perfect for urban commuters and small families alike. Both options come paired with either a smooth 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Expect excellent fuel economy, with the smaller engine delivering up to 50 mpg. These features make the Polo one of the safest cars in its segment, earning it a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Pricing and variants. The 2025 Polo is available in 3 trims. Prices start at $20,000 for the base model, going up to $28,000 for the fully loaded variant. The 2025 Volkswagen Polo perfectly blends style, comfort, performance, and safety, making it a top contender in the compact car segment. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for a reliable upgrade, the Polo ticks all the boxes. What do you think about the 2025 Polo? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews.